Okay, yes. Tulsi ji, Ashita ji, hello. Hi. Yes, fine. So let's begin the session. So you all know what's the topic? Long waited course. So that is on TCM and German concept. Okay. So I hope you all are aware of certain things. So those who don't know how to use magnet also, so we're going to start from the scratch. Okay, because there are many new students, and actually the course was no had to start from tomorrow. I'll just let you know. Okay, so just keep you posted about this concept, or from Monday we can start. Okay, from Monday. Okay, Neeta ji, hello. Yeah, yes. Krishna ji, yes. Thanks. Yeah, so here in this course, you're going to learn many things. So it's 5 day event. Okay. So why I'm conducting this session because trust me when I say this, even if it's basic course, I'm going to share all the advanced concept. For example, if somebody is having backache or anything, how to diagnose and how to suggest protocol. So everything from the scratch we're going to do. Why I'm conducting this session because those who have any issues, right? So they come for consultation. So I have to book an appointment and then take my consultation. So by the time I reply, the headache would have only gone, the backache would have only gone, and it's really difficult to reply each and every question, query, and everything. So why this course is special because you're going to discuss everything that you need. So content is not prepared by me. Like you can just share the topic, whichever your topic is all about. Anything that makes you interesting or anything that you need, you can tell me. So I will prepare content according to your needs. Okay. So this is what you're going to learn. Okay. So German concept is like the most amazing concept. For example, those who have um, spine related issue, backache, lumbar pain, etc., etc. So here you're going to suggest protocol based on what issues you have. For example, if it's your joint pain, so we're going to put magnets on the joint meridian. If it's nerve related issue, so we're going to apply color and magnet over here. Okay. And about the knee pain is a fantastic protocol. So for knee pain, we have, so here exactly we put magnets on middle finger, middle joint. So, we have something known as local points, distal points, and everything. So, you will understand everything properly. Okay. And obviously, TCM is too much, to remember, to recall, to process the information. So, recording will be given for a very long time only. So, you need not worry about recording. So, those who will miss the session, you will get the recording. If not immediately, next day I will send it to you. Okay, so that is for sure. Hello, Vijay Lakshmi ji. Tulsi ji, hi.
Good evening, Pooja.
Good evening, good evening.
Pooja, this is German concept, huh?
A
Free
German
session.
course. Yes,
You
yes.
told 620 time you told, no?
620 we have a life coach.
Yeah, that's what I was getting confused. Okay.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Fine. So the thing is, we are going to discuss many things in these 5 days. Okay. Many protocols will be discussed, and 700 is nothing. So you go for an appointment consultation, they will charge minimum 1,000 rupees. So anywhere you go, even therapists are charging so much, but in 700 you're going to learn many things. So it's up to you. So if you're interested, if you feel aligned with this energy, you can join in. Okay. And I think the last day, or I don't know, third, fourth, or fifth day, we have topic on mental health also. For example, the person has whatever anger issue, anxiety, sadness, depression. It can be due to deficiency of some organ, heart, small intestine, liver, etc. So there's too much of 1 second, just a minute. So wherever you come across many people, some of them will have mental issues, like mind related disorder. Okay, so that's the thing. So we're going to discuss on mind related issues also. Okay, so we'll just show how the PDF looks so you can just have a look. So we have something known as sedation, tonification, color as well. So if you don't have magnet, we have color as option also, which really works like miracle. Okay. So yeah, so these are the topics that we are going to discuss. This is compulsory. Okay. The fourth one is not included much, don't have much to talk about organ degeneration. But yeah, so these are the 6 topics from German concept that we're going to discuss. Okay. And then we have a TCM concept. So I'll just show you how it looks, for example. Yeah, can you see this? You can take this screenshot also if you want. For example, if you have any issues related to ears, we are going to treat this point. So can you see this circle marked over here? Okay, so we are going to sedate this point. So those who have all of these issues. And we have beyond this topic. Yes, Anita ji, I'll take your question at last. Okay, so this is how we are going to discuss, along with PDF. All the PDF will be sent. So need not sit and search many points. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so yes, Neetaji.
Pooja, what is the German? What is German technique?
So TCM, I think most of you know. Those who don't know TCM also, it's a magnet therapy. So there's so many meridians in our body. German concept is, so one doctor from German called Dr. Waltz, so he introduced extra meridians in our body. For example, those who have nerve related issue, so we can't treat only on the liver point, gallbladder meridian enough. So we have one separate meridian itself for nerve degeneration. So these are the extra meridian, Neetaji. We're going to. Those who have joint pain or anything. So we have joint meridian itself, organ meridian itself, allergy meridian itself. So just one single point treatment and the treatment is done, so you will see a lot of changes. Yes. Okay. We are going to cover everything. See, those who have piles, those who have, see, whatever it is, whatever you can think of, we are going to cover everything, including cancer also. Where to apply colors, will be learning about that as well. Okay, so 5-day event. So don't miss this opportunity, because see, last time when I conducted TCM and German concert was last year, and again now I'm conducting, because I conduct 12 different programs, as you all know. Chakra healing, graphology, and now newly introduced life coaching, cord cutting, and everything. Okay, and by the way, cord cutting sessions are really amazing. Those who want pre-recorded videos also go for it, because you never know energetically with whom you are connected. Okay, for example, you want to forget the person, you want to let go of certain things. Okay, but you keep recalling them. So when you recall those memories, think about them, you are connecting with their energy, and whatever they are facing in their life, you will also start feeling it. Okay, there are people who believe in this, there are people who don't believe in this. It's okay, respect every perspective. Okay, but this really works. So those who want, you can get pre-recorded videos also of anything, cord cutting, so that's the thing. Yes, any questions, any doubts, you can let me know. Yes. No. Okay, so I will share.
Pooja,
Yes,
now you said cord cutting. It's
Yes.
in our syllabus.
Neetaji, what?
Cord cutting is in this syllabus.
No, that is completely different course.
Okay.
Yes. So this is purely based on magnet therapy. So we're talking about the symptoms and everything. Yeah, but we have on mental health issue also. Yes, any question? So make the most out of it, and I will just show you another PDF. It's just loading. So let me check. But apart from this, any question? Anyone? Okay. So we have level 1, level 2, and everything. And yeah, so we'll be. I'll also teach how you can do consultation also. Consultation and everything. So we have one topic known as. Okay, I will show you how the exact PDF looks. No, so you'll have an idea. Can you see this? So this is how PDF is going to. It's literally plotted. You need not sit and search anything. I've like I'm just spoon feeding you all with silver spoon, because TCM is really wonderful concept, but when you have to sit and search everything, it's really difficult. I understand. Okay. Because when I started my acupressure journey, so my journey started with magnet therapy and then color therapy. So I was in college when I did the course exam and everything. Okay, all the certification courses. Uh, so it was difficult for me to go to college degree. So I was in second PU degree, and again doing acupressure thing. So Saturdays and Sundays I had acupressure classes 9 to 6, 9 o'clock morning to 6 o'clock. Saturdays and Sundays, and Monday to Friday I had college. Okay, so no holiday at all. So this is how I started this journey. So it was amazing. Okay, so initially it was very difficult for me to plot the points. So there's so many meridians if you are not TCM. But this is how the PDF is going to look. So everything is just plotted and ready. Okay, so these are called back shoe points. Okay, so where to put, when to put, how to put magnets. So we have practical sessions only. Okay, so make the most out of it. Any questions related to anything? Yes. Yeah, so I think that's it. Yeah, if you have any questions related to anything, you can let me know. Yes, any questions? Vijalakshmi ji, Tulsi ji, Valari ji are already part of this session now. Yes, anyway, congratulations for enrolling. So you will have best whatever teaching protocols and everything. So need not depend on me for consultation also. So that's the thing. And Vijayalakshmi ji, recently you treated somebody with the ND meridian now related and
For,
number 6.
for my
Would you like
for
to-
my brother, I gave puja.
Brother, okay. So would you like to share your experience on this, Vijayalakshmi?
As it is, he didn't give me any feedback, but he's applying. That means he's getting benefit out of it. He's unable to tell what exactly,
Yes.
but he's applying on nerve degeneration meridian and number 6 on
Number 6. Also.
finger number 6 is applying.
Awesome. Okay. So these are the things that and somebody is asking. I think Saira is asking about knee pain. Knee pain, and somebody was asking. Ballari ji, okay. Ballari ji also. Okay. Knee pain, I will share the best protocol. Okay. So if possible, just take one screenshot. So I will share the points. So if you are not TCM, the location is ST30. See, everything is here on. Okay. So ST36, UB54, GB34, and SP10 sedation. That's all. That's all. 4 points in TCM. So when you, if you want me to repeat, I think
Yes, ma'am.
this is my problem, taka taka tak, like, I'll go with the flow. Okay, so anyway, SP 10, SP 10, ST 36, UB 54, GB 34, all sedation. Okay, but when you ask this German concept protocol, right? It's super effective. See, anybody can try this. Okay, so I will share the protocol. One second. So, I think most of you know about this. Most of you are already aware of this. Yeah, so this is the protocol. You can take this screenshot. This is amazing protocol for those who have any kind of bone related issue. One second. Can you see this? So you can take this screenshot. So on either side of index toe, you're going to sedate this one. Okay, so and also one more thing, please don't learn it only for yourself. There are many people in your family member or whoever it is, your friend circle. There are people who suffer a lot because of pain. Go treat them. Okay, but make sure they value this therapy. If they don't value, I'm only telling you don't treat them. Okay, don't treat them. We don't need such people also. Okay, so that's the thing. Any question?
Pooja, is there any treatment for vitiligo in this?
Vitiligo, no guarantee, Nitaji, because
Okay.
it's very difficult to diagnose, and I'm only telling you. So if it's a no, no, Nitaji. I haven't seen much changes. I would not, suggest also. So that's the thing, Nitaji.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. But you can try one thing. SP10 sedation you can do, Nitaji.
Yes, okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank
Sarah,
you.
can you unmute and ask? Yes. So this is for cholesterol and uh, cholesterol. You can try number 3 in orange color over here. This will also work. Number 3 in orange color on your left index finger last hand. Okay, Sarah is in traffic. Okay, no worries. So Sarah, you can try this. Number 3 in orange color. It really works. So those who want to ask question, I don't read this chat box. You can let me. My 10 years. See, when you have leg pain, right? So it's not always your. Uh, it's not that people have issues only with their leg. It can be related to spine also. So, Varsha ji, do you have slip disc or something?
No, miss.
No.
Not related.
Your lower back? Any?
No.
No.
only leg pain, only leg pain.
Leg pain, okay.
और कभी भी कहीं पे भी दुखता है, ऐसा नहीं कि पर्टिकुलर मेरा नी दुख रहा है कि थाइस में दुख रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. You can try this point, Varsha ji. Whatever I've given, the knee pain protocol, ST36, UB54, UB54, GB34, SP10. You won't believe it's not only for knee pain, entire leg pain will be gone. And along with this, try GB31 also. So GB31 will be here somewhere. Okay, it's everything is in your middle finger on.
Okay.
Okay, so
Magnet.
yes, and you know what? I've stopped conducting more of free session because I think everybody knows anything given for free of course there's no value. Okay, and people don't give feedback also. So before the group was active and everything, but people don't try and they don't give feedback also. So I've stopped doing this, but if you're really interested, join that WhatsApp community because I want to have more of interaction, case study, and so there are people, there's therapists who are extremely selfish. So if anyone have knee pain, they should come to them only for treatment. But my intention is to make you all best therapist. Even if you are a housewife or whatever it is, at least treat somebody. And I will tell you why you have to charge. You have to charge at least 100 rupees. And if the person can't afford it, at least take 11 rupees. Because you're doing,
Value.
energy exchange thing. So don't take their karmas also. Okay. So please do this. Okay. So if you want to be a part of this TCM and German concept, free sessions. Okay. And if you just promise that you will share your feedback on the community group itself. Okay, so you can reply and just say, okay, certain things have worked and everything. Okay, because TCM and German concept is really wonderful. All the courses are wonderful only. Why I'm specifying this? Because there are people who have spent lakhs of money in many things, we took this medicine, that test, blood test and everything. But if the diagnosing is wrong, I don't know, life itself will become horrible. Trusting this medicine, trusting that procedure. Okay. So once you know how to diagnose properly and treat yourself with proper points, life will be easy. Okay. So that's the thing. So if your intention is to do the same thing, treat yourself, others also, and whatever, let everybody become medicine free. So if you also have the same intention, this group is for you. Act like you paid some 5,000, 10,000. Okay, but this is free of cost. We'll see whenever you have free session, I will announce it on that group on. Okay, but share your feedback and don't take me wrong and don't think that I'm rude. If you don't share your feedback and all, I will just remove, I will just remove you all from the group. So just make sure you're interacting, sharing your feedback. Because end of the day, everyone should be happy and healthy. That's all. Okay. Kavita ji, hello. And yeah,
Hello.
everyone, if you can switch on your camera, you can switch on your camera. Yeah, so we have 5-10 minutes. If you have any questions related to the course,
Ma'am, repeat karo na TCM. Knee
I
pain.
can watch the recording, Varsha ji. I will
Okay.
share the recording. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, today's class, what about 6:20 class?
It's not a 6:20, sorry. The timings were, I posted by mistake. 6:20 we have other session, but yeah, this free session was right now, 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock?
Yes, 5.
Oh, I missed it then.
Yes,
Are
yes.
you
I will
sending
share the
recording?
recording immediately.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, so I mentioned, so those who joined in late, So I would like to share what exactly we are going to learn. Okay, so this is on joint meridian. This is like, see, I'm telling you the value of this protocol. So whatever you can see, the 4 points. This is amazing point for those who have any arthritis, any joint pain, any joint pain. It can be your shoulder joint, elbow joint, knee joint, hip joint, any kind of arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, any kind of arthritis. So you just have to sedate these 2 points. There
Okay.
are people who suffer from 12 years, 12 years. And you can put this protocol for 24 hours, 72 hours. Just keep it, but make sure you all change the tape if you have chronic joint pain. Okay. And please don't be in that desperate energy. Oh, I tried for 5 days, it's not working. Okay. Because your body also needs some time. Okay. So little bit of patience and trust. That's all you should have. That's all. Okay. So you will see reduction of 10%, 20%, day by day. Okay. So all that you need is trust the process. That's all. Trust the process. It will definitely work. Okay. And like I mentioned, just let me know what are your requirements. For example, Varsha ji, Ballari ji, and Saira ji also mentioned about knee pain, leg pain, and all. So we can specifically, we can discuss about that one topic, more on that topic. Okay. So that's the thing. So let me know your requirement. So based on your interest, I will make the syllabus, now itself. Okay. And yeah, so the session is going to start from tomorrow itself. So I won't delay till Monday and all. So the session will be from tomorrow. And the timing will be from 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, 7:15 to 8:50. Okay, because Ballari ji won't be able to join at 5 p.m. There are many people who requested, and that's the thing. So we've changed the timing. So from 7 to 8 o'clock. So sharp 7 o'clock is fine for everyone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will just let you know if it's from 7:15 to 8:15 or 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Because we have life coaching classes also. So that's the thing. Okay. And your life coaching is really, really life-changing, transformative session. And Vijayalakshmi ji, I know you're giving feedback
it is-
in every session.
it is really more than expectation to me, Pooja.
Yeah, yes, Vijay.
More than expectation. It's
Yes.
very awesome, and energy levels itself shifted for me.
Yes, Vijayalakshmi.
I am very much proud for being in that session and interacting with you.
Yeah, yes. Nice, Vijayalakshmi.
Ma'am, where to buy a magnet?
Magnet you can buy on Amazon.
Amazon.
Yes.
Ma'am, this 7 to 8 class is for magnetic therapy.
A magnet therapy, yes.
And fee kitni hai uski?
It's 700.
700.
Yes,
Okay.
700. Yes.
Okay.
700.
And today ये जो 6
Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. Ji.
620 का जो क्लास आपने बोला वो कौन सा है?
Today we don't have any free session at 6:20.
Okay.
Today we
Okay.
don't have any session.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Welcome. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Take care, everyone. And see if you need pre-recorded videos of anything, cord cutting, especially cord cutting, it's really fantastic. So all you have to do is just, I will let you know the instruction. You have to draw a picture of scenery. So I do this neuroscience and everything. So where your mind pattern, there is blockages in your subconscious mind. So I can decode that also just by looking at your, drawing and everything.
Okay.
So if you're interested, you can let me know. And one more session is there. So based on your Rashi, Nakshatra, Rashi and all, right? So depending on your Rashi Nakshatra, we have TCM points.
Okay.
TCM points. You just have to use 4 points on. See, Meena
Okay.
Rashi 4 points, Vrishabha Rashi 4 points. Every Rashi has only 4 points. And
All right.
the level of teaching, each point, how it represents your emotional well-being, spiritually, what is the significance, so we have that learning goals. Everything is in detail. It's 3-day event. It's pre-recorded videos. It's wonderful. Many people have already started trying this and they've seen result also. It will push you towards your overall growth only with these two magnets. It's many
Okay.
people think magnet is only for physical symptom, mental symptom. So this is according to planetary movements. It's going to help you in many different ways. Okay. So I think I will show one picture, but let me see if I have some picture. Yes, any questions related to anything you can let me know. Okay. So I will just show one Rashi. Anyone here who belong to Simha Rashi? No. See, this is how even the PDF is given. That's why I'm telling you, need not break your head. Now, where is the protocol and all. So we are going to use these 2 points. So this will be sedation, this will be tonification. For Simha Rashi people, So yeah, everything is given. So based on your nakshatra, we have TCM point, the treatment and everything. Okay. So see if you need it, cord cutting will do miracle. Anyone have attended cord cutting on this batch? Anyone? If you cut a cord.
Puja, I attended Puja.
You have attended Vijay Lakshmi ji? Yes.
Yes.
So did you try? How was your experience? So would you like to share your experience?
Those 3 days, it was very good puja for me.
Yes.
And later on, only once I could try again.
Okay.
But repeatedly, if we do it, no, it is very beneficial to us.
Yes. And in what
All
ways
that
it has
traumas,
benefited?
all the traumas and all, wherever we are, we doesn't want that connection, and we are going into it, and always that overthinking, sticking to that concept only, those things are going off.
Yes. Awesome.
Our unhealed traumas,
Yes.
basically, unhealed traumas.
Yes.
Those,
Yes.
it is very useful.
Awesome, Vijay. Let me tell you one thing. See, all the negative feeling, whoever has it, and it can be smallest thing like overthinking. It's coming from others. It's coming from your past experience. It's coming
Yes.
from your future thinking. Oh, what if I don't have money? What if my relationship will not be good with her? So it's always coming from past and future only. So you are never in that.